What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tech Phantom. And the Galaxy S22 Ultra leaks have been here, and not only that, now we also have a on leaks CAD renders for the Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone. Now, before getting into this video, if you're new here, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that I've done that, let's get started. So the very first thing, let's talk about its specifications, what you can expect from this smartphone. The very first thing is that it will be coming with the premium top of the line flagship processor from Snapdragon, and it's the 8 Gen 2 processor, and you'll be getting this processor all across the S23 series lineup. Well, not only that, Exynos processor will be limited now much for the very much smaller audience, and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will be making its appearance with the wider audience. Apart from that, the camera will be getting a major upgrade this year, and it will be of 200 megapixels for the primary camera for the S23 Ultra, whereas the 23 and the 23 Plus will be getting a same treatment of 64 megapixel selfie camera and the major shooter too. Well, apart from that, the S Pen support will be getting a better latency support, and you will also be getting much more things better with this smartphone, such as it will follow a same design language when compared to the S22 Ultra, which is again the boxier design, which was inspired by the Note series. And that's about the phone. Apart from that, the charging support will stuck to 45 watts in this smartphone too. You won't be getting higher, faster, crazy faster charging speeds such as 120 hertz high fast charging or fast wireless charging too. Well, what do you think about this smartphone? And the price is also going to remain at the similar at $1,100. So you can convert this pricing to your market too. Well, if you like this video, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.